Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to use Copilot to study. This is one of the most controversial thing as AI couldn't help you to study, but yeah, in cases it could actually help you study. So how do we use it favorably so we can actually make advantage of it? Well, how do I use it for example in my daily usage? First of all, I don't use it to have the right answer. So for example, I'm studying something and I'm doing exercises. In the situation, I will try to do the exercises first, and then I'm going to give the exercise to Copilot and check if my answer is the same as Copilot. How do we do that? Simply click here and you could add any image. So take a screenshot of your exercise, add image, and simply search for the image and add it right through here. And this is the first thing. Other than that, you can literally ask him for explanation of the answer. For example, your teacher has sent you the correction of an exercise and you couldn't really know how he got to the answer. You could literally ask him for details about the answer and stuff like that. So, for example here, I'm just gonna write down a random equation and equals to what is x? Of course, this is a simple math equation, very easy. And look, this is how it starts. It shows you how he subtracts 5 from both sides. So take 5 from here, you take it to the other side, it becomes minus. And here, as you can see, 3x minus 3, this is minus 1. So it's very simple and very easy, but it gives you the details for each step. And it helps a lot with the quizzes and a lot of exams questions. And once you're done with the exercise that you're doing, ask ChatGPT to generate examples that are similar to the exercise that you're working at and try to solve them as well. This could save you a lot of time and understand a lot of different cases. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching.